This is a big secret which nobody else have told you. So many big channels are gonna hate me for this video, but I do not care. Oh my god, I almost quit YouTube creation. Like, guys, I don't even know what happened, but thank God I discovered this secret. You know, when you are starting out on YouTube, just like I am, there are a lot of things you do not know. And if you do not watch some certain truthful videos, you will quit because you think everything is so tough. Now, head straight to your YouTube studio. That is where the magic happens. I discovered this yesterday, and after doing it, I noticed a lot of difference, right? From 0 subscribers to where I am right now, just from yesterday to today, guys. And now, this is the truth. You know, in this YouTube, there are things you do yourself. You don't wait for YouTube to do that for you. I don't know if you know, but today I'm telling you that not everything YouTube will do for you, right? There are so many things you should do yourself. And if you do not do that, there is no way you are going. Like, you will keep rolling inside your 1 subscriber. Every day, you'll be the one watching your video. Every day, you keep just the way I've been doing for the last 2 weeks. I'll upload my videos and I'll still be the one to watch the video that I uploaded. Nobody is seeing it. Nobody is engaging. Nobody is commenting. Nobody is liking. Nobody is seeing my videos until I changed this one thing. And that thing I'll be showing you right now. So, hi everyone, my name is Success Amarachi, and here I treat about how to get views, how to edit your videos, and not just that, how to create your AI videos and faceless videos. So all you will do for yourself is to subscribe to this channel because you will be doing yourself a lot of good. Right now, let me tell you one thing before we dive into the practical section of this video. Now, I noticed that since I started creating content, just like I said, only me watches my videos until I discovered this hack. And right now, once you do this, you will notice a lot of things. Your impression will start increasing, your views, your engagement as well. And this thing is not even hidden, just like I said. All you need to do right now is to download YouTube Studio. And if you already have that, that is beautiful. Now, let's head straight into YouTube Studio. Let me show you the wrong thing that you have been doing that nobody told you. Trust me, so many big channels are going to hate me because of this video, but I don't care. As far as we are all growing, we are all making it in this YouTube street. That's all that matters. And now, let's head straight to the practical section of this video. Are you excited? Of course I am. Let's dive in.
Okay, so open up to your browser. Once you get there, type YouTube, enter, and then go to YouTube. Go to Google, YouTube. What is it called again? This is your channel, right? Then you go to YouTube Studio, right? Go to YouTube Studio. This is it right here. So here on YouTube Studio, click on settings. This is settings right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, to pop out this, just click on channel. Click on channel, then scroll down. This right here, most of you do not have it, and I will not ask you why. I'm just here to help you. As you can see, these are what I do. So now let's start from what do you do? Like in 3 words, what do you do in your channel? You don't know? Now, this is mine. If you go through my videos, you'll see that I talk about I'm a video editor, right? So first thing is video editing. Secondly, how to grow on YouTube. Thirdly, AI videos. That's the 3 main things you will see in my channel. So right now, in 3 words, what do I do in my video, in my channel? I teach editing tips, how to grow on YouTube, how to create faceless and AI videos. So in 3 words, ask yourself, what do you do in your channel? Then when you answer that, simply come here, start adding them one after the other. just type in, if you are a comedian or something, start typing in these things. And if you do not know, if you, after adding, it's not up to 500, make sure to make it up to 500. As you can see, mine is 495, right? If I add any other thing right now, they will tell me that it will be more than 500 and it won't be acceptable, right? So that is it. Make sure you fill in these keywords properly here, so that YouTube will know that this is what your channel is for. How can you just be confusing YouTube? You just pop into YouTube and start posting. Some of you do not even base somewhere. You post video editing today, tomorrow you post people that are dragging each other. Next tomorrow you post something that somebody will not understand. Like, you have posted more than 21 different videos that are not even aligning with each other, and you want to grow. How? Why not focus on few things? If it's lifestyle, cooking is part of lifestyle. Brushing your teeth, there are different things that are involved. Choose one. Do things that are around that. Right? Faceless content creation is part of video editing, and when you are editing videos, you want to grow. So growth is also part of it. They are also the same thing in different ways, right? When they say you should explore different things, they do not say you should start posting video editing today. Tomorrow you are in graphic design. Next tomorrow you are organizing. Take it easy. Take one at a time, so that the algorithm will know that this page always does something like this. They will start showing it to people that love video editing. So after this, I'll give you one more tip. After this, the next thing you will do is to close this. Then once you close it, open a new browser, go to YouTube again. Don't close yours, because you still add something to that. Go to YouTube and add here. We all know that Brain Jotter and the rest of them are into comedy, right? But this is what to do: comedy videos, right? Or you can just write comedy. Nigerian, if you're Nigerian or Uganda, just write Nigerian comedy right here. Let me show you a simple hack. Nigerian comedy here. Then enter, search. Right? Once you search, click on videos. See videos right here. Click on videos. I said it. See Brain Jotter. We already know people that are trending, right? Oga Sabinus, Brain Jotter, and the rest of them, right? You can check out their thing and see the hashtags that they use, so you can actually use it in your videos. But the most important thing is, this is Sabinus, right? And his channel name. Go to his channel name. Let's see the name of his YouTube channel. Oga Sabinus right here. This is Oga Sabinus right here. This is it. Oga Sabinus. So all you need to do is to go to your channel. Go back to your own channel. I mistakenly closed this. Okay, so go back to your own channel. This channel name is Oga Sabinus, right? And right here, you are a comedian. What you do here, you add Oga Sabinus. Enter. As you can see, it's more than 500. But for you, reduce some things. Add Oga Sabinus, Brain Jotter, those people that are doing well in the comedy industry, right? Here on YouTube, add them to your keywords. You are not taking their viewers, so no, and you're not doing anything wrong, right? You're just tapping into their grace, so that when people search for them, because they are top creators. So once you get the exact person's name, right, you can get a keyword that they use, like somebody that is known for something. who will I use for example right now? This, what people always look for, right? What people always look for in that persistent. Maybe there's a hashtag they uses, you add it here. With this right here, people will always search for them because they are big, and once they search for them, they will suggest your videos to them. So the person might decide to, hey, let me try this person. Once they keep suggesting it, out of 1,000 persons, 100 persons will see your videos and watch. With this, you grow, you have your own audience, and from there you will start getting views when you post your normal videos. I just learned this and I decided to share. So if you find value in this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Click on the like button and comment in the comment section. Let me know if you find this video helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.